Hey guys, I'm back again with my small canvas. It is 20 by 20 centimeter long. I put my masking tape around it at the back, and I have got this one to hold my canvas to the surface. You can see that today I'm going to try the deep technique with the two canvases. So I got both canvas going on the top of each other, so I'll get similar effect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this bottom from the bottle. I cut it off and let's have a look how it goes. So let's start with the black first. So I pour my black and I'm going to use my purple then I use my blue then I go back to my black again then I use my dark blue then I go back to my light blue then black again then my blue let's go for nearly running out this one, but don't need too much. So here it makes nice pattern if you look closely. Now let me get my stick. Then I'll slowly lift that one up. I'm using my popsicle to get the line in. Now I'm going to cover I'll cover my white around it. So to just spread this one. Just want to touch that to the canvas, so when the other canvas touch it, you have something to hold it. The color is already there to hold. So I'm nearly done here. I don't worry too much about the sides, which can be done later on. So just need to touch this bit and we are ready to go for the next step. Okay, so here is, so I have got my canvas ready. All I'm going to do, dip corner to corner, side to side. Just to mention, I haven't got any silicone. I'm just gently pushing in. The reason why I'm pushing, so I can get all the colors. I'm going to slightly move it so I get the nice pattern, the blur one. Alright, am I ready to lift it now? I think I am. There you go, I think it's done now. Okay, so this is the tricky part. I'm lifting up. I have to be very quick when I lift because I don't want anything to drop to the canvas as well. So there you go. You see that? How beautiful they are. Loving it, absolutely loving it. Have a look, a close look. So this is how the dip technique done. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my torch to get rid of the bubbles. So I have, this is the finished look. See how beautiful it is. The color is still dropping. I'm going to hold it in a flat surface. So I'm just trying to get another canvas out to show you the effect of the gun. We just used the blowtorch. This is how it looks. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll come up with some more videos. Thank you. Bye.